Air we breathe. Learning objectives. Air. What does air contain? Properties of air. Clean air. Air is necessary for all living beings to stay alive. There is no life without air. Air. There is air all around us. All living beings need air to breathe. We cannot see it, but when it moves, we can feel it. What does air contain? Air contains water vapor, dust particles, smoke and germs. Air holds water vapor. Look at the picture given ahead. It shows wet clothes hanged on a clothesline in the sun. Wet clothes dry in the sunlight. Can you tell where does the water go from the clothes? Water from wet clothes goes into the air and forms water vapor. Thus, air contains water vapor. The process of water converting into water vapor is called evaporation. Drying clothes. Air holds dust particles. When we look at a beam of sunlight coming into our room, we can see dust particles moving in the air. Thus, we can say that air contains dust particles. A beam of sunlight. Air holds smoke and germs. Smoke given off from factories and vehicles gets mixed with the air. Dust and smoke make the air impure or polluted. This impure air damages the atmosphere and thereby creates a negative effect on the environment that becomes harmful to human health. Dust particles carry disease-causing germs that make us sick. Smoke given off by vehicles. Sci facts. Air is a mixture of different gases that cover the Earth in a layer over 400 miles high. This layer is called the atmosphere. Properties of air. Air occupies space. Air fills empty spaces. When air is blown inside a balloon, the balloon becomes bigger and bigger. This is because air takes up the space inside the balloon. Air has direction. Air always blows in a direction. You can see this direction in the movement of leaves or branches of trees and smoke from the chimneys, etc. Moving trees by air. Air also gives shape and has weight. Air gives shape to things like footballs, balloons, and tires. Take a deflated football and fill air into it. You will see inflated football has weight. Deflated football. A boy filing air into football. Football with air. Air has speed. Air, strong wind has a very high speed. It changes the direction of things such as kites, balloons, parachute, smoke, etc. Parachute in the sky. Air has force. Moving air has a lot of force in. It blows strongly everything that comes in its way. A storm can even uproot trees and poles of wires. Air blowing trees and wires of poles. Clean air. Impure air is not good for health. We can reduce the effects of impure air by the following methods. Plant more trees around us. Play in open areas to breathe in clean air. Keep doors and windows open to let in fresh air. Uncover our face when we sleep. Summary. We cannot see air, but when it moves we can feel it. The process of water converting into water vapor is called evaporation. Dust particles carry diseases causing germs that make us sick. Air has the following properties. Air takes space. Air has direction. Air has force. Air has speed and air gives speed. Play in open areas to get in clean air. Keywords. Air. A gaseous substance surrounding the earth. Impure. That is not pure, polluted.